Hey, welcome back everybody, and to all the new people, I'm Brett from Summit Guitar School. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to play These Days by Jackson Browne. It's a great old tune. There's a couple of really cool covers out there of this. One of my favorites is by Greg Allman. Go check that one out if you like the Jackson Browne version. It's in standard tuning. You will need a capo, and I'll break down all the chords for you, all the sections. There's nothing too tricky about the strumming pattern. There is one bar chord in there that I'll give you a workaround for. But with that said, let's get started on this song. But before we do, I have to plug this stuff. If you're interested in getting better at your strumming patterns and you're looking for some free resources, check out my free strumming pattern course. There's a link below. And if you're just getting into guitar and you're finding this too difficult, check out our beginner guitar essentials course. I've had hundreds of students go through it with tons and tons of success. Check that out. It's a great resource for beginners. It gives you everything you need to know to go from not playing to being able to play any of the songs that you're looking to play. All right. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. We're all over the place. If you learned something from this video, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm just trying to share my love for the guitar and my love for good music with everybody on the internet. So check this stuff out and let's get started. All right, so let's first talk about where we're going to put the capo and what our chords are. All right, so you're going to capo, it's in standard tuning, the 5th fret. All right, so let's run through these chords. You've got a C major, that's 3, 2, open, 1, open. You've got a G over B, all right, which you can do two ways. I'm going to show you this way because to me it makes more sense for the way the chords work. All right, so C, and it's just really a G, but you're only playing this B note. So you have a C and then you're doing G over B. So I'm going to put my middle finger on the 2nd fret 5th string and my pinky on the 3rd fret 2nd string and strum those middle 4 strings. Okay, you can also go index finger on the 2nd fret 5th string and 3rd finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string. That kind of gives you your like G shape that you can kind of look there. But if you go, then you got to jump around too much. So I think like that, and then 2 and 4. So 2nd fret 5th string, 3rd fret 2nd string. So C, G over B, A minor 7th. So you get a regular A minor, and then you get rid of the middle finger. So it's open, 2, open, 1, open. And then you got a regular G. That's 3, 2, open, 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 3. That's how I'm gonna voice it. And then you got an F bar chord. Alright, so first I like to get these fingers on a bar chord and then apply the index for the bar. So that's 3rd fret 5th, 3rd fret 4th, middle finger, 2nd fret 3rd, and then my index bar is all 6. Really I just need the 6th and the 1st and 2nd string to ring. If that's too much for you, I would encourage you to practice the bar, but if it's too much, you could get these fingers and then just put your index at the 1st fret 2nd string and try to strum just the middle, because we're not really getting this 1st string major 7th sound. You could put it in there and it wouldn't really matter, but we're really going for just a standard F triad. Alright, which is just that. So and then we do have an A minor, a regular standard A minor, which was open 2, 2, 1. Alright, and then we have a tricky chord here. We have an E with a G sharp in the bass. This is kind of tricky. Alright, I'll show you the easiest way to get this, and then I'll give you a little bit more advanced way. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 4th fret 6th string, your index on the 2nd fret 4th, and your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And your middle finger should naturally mute this 5th string, and that's the easiest way to get it without too much. And you only strum the 6th through the 3rd string. That's an E over G sharp, but if you want to give it a little bit more depth, you can put your pinky on the 5th fret 2nd string, and you get that extra E in there, so you have 2 octaves going. Alright, so that one's kind of tricky, and you got to get used to that stretch between your index and middle. But alright, so those are all the chords you need. Let's talk about the intro and the strumming pattern. The pattern is going to be down, down, up for most of this intro. So you're going to go C, down, down, up, and then G over B, down, down, up, A minor 7th, down, down, up, so I'll play that. Just like that. Just like that. So down, down, up, G over B, down, up, A minor 7, down, up, down, down, up. And then on F, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. All right, that's kind of a tricky when you get to that F. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that whole intro, down. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. That, luckily, if you can get that, then that's most of the verse, all right? That's like the first half of the verse. That's that walk down that you hear that happens throughout the song. It's kind of like the musical hook or motif, if you want to call it that. So you've got the verse. You do that intro twice, which is that walk down, and then down, up, down, down. This is the verse. Down, 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 up, down, down. All right, then you do that again for the second line of the verse. Down, down, up, down, down, up. A minor 7, down, 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 down. Then it resolves to the C, down, 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 up, down, down, just like that F, and then G, down, 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 up, down, down, and then you go to F, down, 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 up, down, down. You do it again, down, 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 up, down, down, and then C, down, down, up, down, down. Then you go to G, down. So on the G is where it kind of switches back to the down, down, up. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That's what we'll do there. All right, so you have to break that down really slowly. That's down, 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 up, E over G sharp, down, 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 up, and then A minor, down, 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 up, down, 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 F, down, down, up, down, down, and then you're into the same walk down. All right, so to back up from the G to the E over G sharp, it goes down, down, up, E over G sharp, and then A minor, down, down, up, down, down, to the F, down, down, up, down, down, and then you're into the walk down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So after that first stanza, verse, chorus thing, it's all kind of one piece of music there. You've got the instrumental that happens, all right? This is the same as the intro. Then you have another verse. Then you have another instrumental, but the instrumental runs through the entire verse chords. And that is kind of like a little instrumental piece there for like the slide guitar in there, or you could skip it if you're just singing and playing it by yourself. And then you do another verse, and you do the same thing you played on the intro as your outro, and that is exactly how the song goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Just go back and review each strumming pattern separately. I hope you learned something from this. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm just trying to share my love for the guitar and good music, and I hope this helps you get your strumming patterns going and just gives you another song to play. Keep it in your back pocket. It's a great old tune. You guys have a good day.